Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments.
Update. Found out the golf cart has lights. Life-changing moment. Andrea's just booking it. I can't keep up with her. No. Guess we're gonna have to burn the golf cart down. How was your trek experience?
That thing is epic.
That thing is wild.
It has underglow.
Yeah. I couldn't keep up with you.
I know, it's funny. That thing goes.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary.
Your grandpa's got a G-ride.
The seat pivots.
Pivot seat.
Pivot. So don't lean with it too hard because you might fall out.
Yeah, well, that's a problem. You almost feel like you're going to do a wheelie.
Yeah. Andrea's parents took us to a Mexican flea market that had so much stuff, like anything you could think of, you could find there. They had fresh veggies, clothing, tools, everything. Andrea's grandpa was also down in Texas while we were visiting her family, and we had so much fun getting to spend time and make memories with him as well. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
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 This
What
is
are we
my
doing
radio
today?
voice.
We are going to the riverboat.
We are going
It's-
to the riverboat. What's it do?
It is
It
a boat
floats.
ride on the Rio Grande. That's an hour, and they talk about the Rio Grande and the Mexican side is spoke about a lot. The refuge, people that come across. You'll see some rafts, maybe.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Mm-hmm. You'll see
you'll
the-
see a large part that on the Mexican side that they use.
The cartel per se.
Okay.
Use lots of expensive homes on that side of the river.
Ooh, wonder who lives there.
The cartel.
I told Andrea if things go south in the U.S., we can just go across and join the cartel.
This is my mom. We have my dad and my grandpa's with. Want to say hi?
Hola.
Grandpa, you gonna say hi? Just say hi.
Hi. Oh, okay. I got it.
We see the officer boats with are they machine guns?
Borders?
Sometimes we'll see gunships, border
Mhm.
patrol.
Border Patrol?
Oh yeah.
That'd be cool.
And
Either on land or on their own
National Guard.
boats. Mm-hmm.
I've seen them being shipped around before, like the big 3-engine boats, but I've never seen them in the water.
So it's a cool ride. Pat and I have been on it
3 or 4 times.
3-4 times down here.
Learn something new every time.
Mm-hmm. We drag Grandpa on.
Now we come down.
Grandpa's been on it every time.
Hello!
So we like to bring people when they come down here for the first time down on the riverboat. It's just got a lot of history.
The riverboat cruise was a lot of fun. So they have a patio that you can sit on beforehand and after and get food and drinks. And then this is the boat. It has seats everywhere. And you just go up and down the river and they explain all of the history, the different houses. We also got to see a lot of random cows on the river edge, as well as this was a Coast Guard boat, which was pretty cool, but we also did see Border Patrol and the Texas National Guard, as well as the Mexican military too.
Oh, my name's Shelly. I'm so good at pool.
I grew up with a pool table.
Obviously. Your dad's over there smoking.
On the big table.
You just put that there when looking. Strategy.
Nice! Good
This is where we got to walk across the US-Mexico border. This was really cool. It cost $1 to go across into Mexico, and it cost 25 cents to come back into the US. While we were there, we explored all the different little shops that they have. We had lunch at an amazing place that had launches. If you don't know what launches are, I highly recommend you checking them out if you're ever down in the Alamo area. And then we made friends, of course, with a stray dog, but we didn't take it home.
They have a hydrostatic balloon like we had in Afghanistan in South Padre. It's all docked up with nowhere to go.
We did a sunset dolphin cruise out of South Padre Island. This was 100% worth the money. We saw so many dolphins, so many different pods of dolphins. It was really unique and really cool. Our biggest thing is that we absolutely love to see animals in the wild and not in captive. So being able to just do this cruise and see the dolphins swimming and jumping was really just amazing. While you're on the cruise, they do show you some other things in the area as well. So this is the Starlink space launch area that they're building. The second one on the right is the new one that they're building. And they show you the office buildings and the little shuttle that takes people from the parking lot across the water into their work office, which was quite interesting.
Oh, Andrea gets 2 of them.
No, they do not.
No, and the one single one makes me nervous because it's the only one balancing everything.
You're welcome, Andrew.
Knock it down, Chris. Come on.
Left of it.
Yeah, I was trying to spin it back.
That's cheating. You can't take from the top 2 layers.
Does she wear it or does it go the opposite way? Is my question.
I don't know. I think it's gonna go towards what the?
That one came out too easy.
Grandpa's like, I'm out. He laughed.
Oh, Grandpa failed.
We even got the bar over there looking.
Oh yeah, everybody over there is looking.
We're gonna need a chair soon.
Whoa! Good job, Don. Good job.
During our visit to Sea Turtle Inc. on South Padre Island, we had the incredible opportunity to observe the resident turtles being fed. witnessing firsthand the care and attention they receive from the passionate staff. We also explored the temporary hospital setup for cold-stunned turtles, an essential facility where these turtles are nursed back to health before being released back into their natural habitat. It was both heartwarming and eye-opening to learn about these tireless efforts of the team to ensure these turtles receive the medical care they need to be able to thrive again in the wild. One of the most fascinating insights we gained was about the unique way in which the sex of sea turtle hatchlings is determined. We discovered that the sand temperature on the beach plays a crucial role in this process. Warmer sand typically produces more female turtles, while cooler sand yields more males.
Topgolf is a work in progress. Not good. I can hit the ball far, but I cannot hit it straight. So that's fun. Winter Gardens Raceway for RC races. So we're here for lunch with Emmy, and Andrea's dad's going to be here shortly, and the races will be starting here. So they just watered the track, so let's get ready to race. And now we ride back to the camper. Andrea gets to go do Mother-Daughter Day. Pedicures, I believe. Maybe iced coffee, who knows? Sportassi? Alright. So I'm on my way to my first tech job. Andrea and Emmy were saying goodbye. Exciting new things, whatever you want to call it. Just like 2 blocks over. So that's pretty cool. Makes it a lot easier of a job. Just a big curb. So yeah, we're doing a warranty inspection / lubing of the axles on a Class A. Suspension and axles, sorry. But I'm here and it's time to go. Got a water heater, furnace, axle suspension, and inspect the roof for any damage or sealant needs. So, here we go.
One of our last nights down in Texas, we went bowling with Andrea's parents. We had so much fun at this bowling alley, and we learned that Andrea is not the best bowler, but we all had fun, and that's what matters the most. After bowling, Andrea's parents had a place picked out for dinner, and it was pretty cool.
No Mexican.
That's okay.
Barbecue.
This looks cool.
Right?
Do you know why they picked it?
Because it has longhorn.
In the back.
The Longhorns are out there.
They have longhorns?
Yeah. I thought that would brighten her spirits.
Yes!
Dad and I drove here yesterday trying to figure out if this was a good spot to bring you kids. Are you already here?
Donkeys?
Donkey?
There's two of them.
Donkey? Ooh, the sunset's pretty too. And those horn spreads are taller than I am. I didn't even see that. Got a couple of donkeys here. And a beautiful sunset.
After dinner, Andrea's parents took us to this place that they found that has all sorts of different games for adults. They had darts, they had pool, they had just so many different things that you could do at this place, and it was really fun to be at. This was also Chris and Andrea's first time ever playing darts together, and Andrea's first time playing darts ever.
Say your hair's too long. You don't care with you, I can't go wrong.
Saying goodbye at karaoke. That's Andrea under the awning. Oh.
Is our ride?
This is our chalet. Chariot, yeah, that one.
We were sad to leave Andrea's parents down in Texas, but as RV life goes, we said see you later and we'll see them back up in Minnesota. But we absolutely loved our time down in Alamo, and being able to be on the RV pad right next door to their house was pretty cool to be able to walk back and forth and spend as much time as possible together during our few weeks stay down there. Until next time. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.